Hello guys, good morning. This is my TV repair tips. The problem of this TV is jumping channel and no reception. The problem is this the switch button, because it is this very molds that create ground so that it can jam this. I'm going to attach this, so you want to see the problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, oh, see, it's jump. Parang nag-ano siya, ano siya, nagja-jump siya kasi no, grounded to. Grounded yung switch na to, yung switch button. This switch button has a molds like this, marumi na yung switch so that it can already jump the channel. Kasi grounded yung switch, at we're going to fix this. Okay, we're going to remove the switch button. Okay, it's steady, it's not jump because of this switch button. Okay, I'm going to fix this, and then the problem is we're going to remote this channel 404. Has no channel, walang channel siya kasi ang problema niya is hindi ito. Ang problema niya is yung tuner na ito, yung 5 volts o yung 33 volts na nag-attach na supply patungo sa tuner. The 35 volts has gone. The connection is it has gone, destroy already, and it makes molds, siya, kumakalawang na. I'm going to fix. Okay,